Hello students. Now we are going to discuss very important chemical reactions, organic reactions related to nitrogen compounds, mainly amines, diazonium salts and their chemical properties. So let us discuss this question, the different types of chemical reactions of amines. First reaction is like this: methylamine reacts with nitrous acid forming alcohol and nitrogen. This is the very important reaction of amine with nitrous acid. It is called also diazotization reaction, but here the alkyl diazonium salt is unstable. That's why alcohol is formed. Instead of diazonium salt, the result is alcohol. Second reaction, aniline reacts with bromine, that is bromine water. The result is, if you see, this is the aniline, this is the structure of aniline. Then when it reacts with bromine water, result is here 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. This is the result. Okay. Formation of 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. This is the reaction of bromine water with aniline. If you take bromine water and carbon disulfide, the result will be orthopara. Here orthopara, both product will be formed. Then this is BDC, third reaction. This is BDC, benzene diazoam chloride reacts with water. This is the warm water. The result is phenol. Here result will be phenol. Phenol is the main product. Then other side product are 9,2 gas will be formed. Then question number 4, BDC with Ki. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. This reaction is called also Sandmeyer reaction. Short form Sandmeyer reaction, and the result is your iodobenzene. This is your iodobenzene, main product iodobenzene, then nitrogen gas always form. So this is the reaction of BDC with Ki. Then this is called acetamide. This is called acetamide on heating with PTO5. PTO5 is a dehydrating agent. It produces the amine. Result is amine, loss of which one? Loss of carbon monoxide. So CH3NH2 is formed. Then formation of your loss H2O. Here if you see this CO, here CN is formed, loss of water. This is not, you just change it. This is the product will be CN. Cyanide is formed, then loss of water. Minus water is formed. This is called dehydration of amide forming cyanide. Okay, this is very important reaction. Formation of amide to cyanide. Amide with acetyl chloride. This is called acylation reaction. This reaction is called also acylation. Then the reaction product will be like this: CH3, CO, then NH, then CO, CH3 plus HCl. Substitution of acetyl group in place of hydrogen, formation of N acetyl or NER. CH3COCl is substituted in amide, so it is N-acetyl acetamide. N, here acetyl group it attached to nitrogen, so we can say N-ethanoyl ethanamide. Like this you can also give the name. So it is the N-acetyl derivative. That means acetyl derivative is attached to nitrogen of amide. So substituted reaction is formed, and this is called also acylation of amide. Then CCH5N2Cl reacts with the hypophosphorus acid. The result is benzene. Main product is benzene. Then nitrogen. This is the major product. Then acetamide reacts with zinc, amalgam and HCl. This reaction is also called as Clemmensen reduction. This reaction is called Clemmensen reduction. So result is here Clemmensen reduction. Here what happens? The oxygen will be removed, then formation of alkane. So result is CH3. Here result is CH3, CH2, then NH2. Oxygen is removed. Reduction means loss of oxygen. So this product is formed. Then remaining will be your water. Oxygen is removed and formation of water. So here the result you see, amide is converted to amine. Amide will be converted to amide by Clemmensen reduction. This question reaction 9 just you see here, identify the X, Y, Z and Q. Here reaction, this is benzene. This is benzene. Reacts with chlorine and aluminum chloride. This is called chlorination. This is called chlorination. The X is your chlorobenzene. The X is your chlorobenzene. This is your X. Then when chlorobenzene heated in presence of ammonia and copper oxide, the result Y will be amine derivative. This reaction is possible, NH2. This reaction is possible at a high temperature. So generally chlorobenzene is very less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, but under high temperature it convert to aniline. Then Y is your aniline, X is your chlorobenzene. When treated with Na2HCl, this is called diazotization reaction. Result is your BDC. Z is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Ki forming idobenzene. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. This reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. So this type of question generally asking in your different examination, identify the product. A reagent will be given, then you have to identify the product. A, B, C, D like this, X, Y, Z, different types of identification. With the reagent, we have to write the product. Then nitrobenzene reacts on reduction by tin and HCl. This is called reduction reaction. This is also called reduction, formation of aniline. Main product is aniline. Nitrobenzene become aniline, and your side product will be water. Okay. Then aniline when undergo diazotization, this is called diazotization reaction, produce BDC. Result is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. This is called BDC. The main product is, this reaction is called diazotization reaction. Then BDC reacts with ethanol, is very important reaction. The result will be benzene. Result is benzene. Okay. Then your side product is nitrogen gas. Okay. Then other side product also you can write also chloroethane, like this is for, but main product is benzene. BDC, this is what BDC become benzene. Okay. Then question reaction 13, that is your aniline, chloroform and KOH. This reaction is called your Carbillamine reaction. carbillamine reaction. Result is like this. Carbillamine is formation of isocyanide, main product. Then other side product is your KCl plus water, like this. So this is isocyanide, isonitrile is formed of benzene. This reaction is called carbillamine reaction. Aniline or amine reacts with chloroform and KOH, forming isocyanide. This reaction is Sandmeyer reaction. BDC reacts with copper chloride HCl, formation of chlorobenzene. Main product is chlorobenzene, and side product will be nitrogen, like this. This is also important reaction of BDC. BDC reacts with copper serine and cation. This is also called one part of Sandmeyer reaction, formation of benzonitrile, phenyl cyanide. This is also called benzonitrile. This is benzonitrile or phenyl cyanide. And plus nitrogen is always side product. So this is also called Sandmeyer reaction. BDC reacts with hydrofluorofluoric acid, on heating, result is fluorobenzene. Main product is fluorobenzene, and side product is your nitrogen. And this reaction also is called very important reaction, benzene with HB, that is this reaction is called Ball-Schneemann reaction. Ball-Schneemann reaction. Ball-Schneemann reaction, formation of fluorobenzene from BDC by action with fluoroboric acid. Ball-Schneemann reaction. Then amine reacts with CH3CCl. This is also called acylation. This reaction is also acylation, formation of substituted product of amine, NH, then COCH3. This is called as N-methyl ethanamide or N-methyl acetamide, like this, plus side product is HCl. Substituted product of amine by action with acetyl chloride. This reaction is called acylation of amine. Then aniline reacts with acid. Aniline is a base and reacts with acid, produce salt. Salt is like this. It accepts H plus, it become NH3C plus and Cl minus. This is called anilinium ion. Anilinium ion. Benzene NH3 plus, anilinium ion, formation of salt. This is a salt, anilinium chloride. Here benzene, that is called benzamide. Benzamide, when reacts with bromine and KOH on heating, produce C6H5NH2 plus potassium carbonate or sodium carbonate. As it is sodium oxide, it is sodium carbonate. This is your sodium carbonate plus water, side product. So this is aniline. Benzamide become aniline, loss of CO group. This is called degradation. It is called Hopman degradation reaction. Short form I have written Hopman degradation reaction. It is also called as bromamide reaction. Bromamide reaction. bromamide reaction or Hopman's degradation. Chloromethane reacts with ammonia. It is a substitution reaction. Formation of substituted primary amine. It may be secondary amine. It may be tertiary amine. It may be quaternary ammonium salt is produced. Mixture of primary amine, this is your primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and quaternary ammonium salt will be formed due to substitution of amine, ammonia derivative. So substitution reaction takes place, formation of primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and quaternary ammonium salt is formed. Here ammonia acts as a nucleophile. So first step, ammonia attack the carbon atom and formation of primary amine. Then again primary amine reacts with another haloalkane, produce secondary amine. Like this, mixture of amines is formed. In this reaction, pure amine cannot be prepared. This reaction is called Hopman reaction. This reaction is called Hopman reaction. Hopman reaction. Then this question already we have discussed. So this is the formation of that same a salt is formed already because it is a base and this is your acid. So produce salt, that is ammonium salt. CH3NH2, here what happened, as it has a lone pair, it accept H plus. That's why product is CH3NH3 plus Cl minus. Salt, it becomes salt. Then this reaction is called coupling reaction. This reaction is called coupling reaction. BDC reacts with aniline, forming one salt is like this. This is the benzene. Then nitrogen will be like this. Then this is your aniline. Okay, and this is a azo dye, and this structure is your yellow color. Yellow color dye is produced, and this is also called as para-amino azobenzene. This is called also para-amino azobenzene. Para-amino azobenzene. This is a one azo dye. Color is yellow color. This reaction is called also coupling reaction. Reaction of BDC with aniline. Then methyl cyanide nitrile on reduction forming primary amine. Formation of primary amine, that is, as it has two carbon, so ethanamine is formed. Ethanamine is formed. This is called reduction. This reaction is reduction of nitrile. Reduction of isonitrile, formation of secondary amine. Formation of secondary amine. This is called N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine. This is the secondary amine. So from nitrile we can get primary amino reductions, and secondary amine is formed from isonitrile. This is isonitrile and this is your nitrile. So this is the very important reaction of amines. So you practice this. If you have not subscribed our channel Chemistry Go, please subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and share the video if you like it to your friends, and practice any question if you have related to this. You can send your questions in the comment box. Okay, thank you everybody.